Hey guys, how's it going? Well, I've been kind of quiet, but this just came in today. This is the second. I wanted a matched pair. It's a Batwing Swinguard, genuine mother of pearl. It's got a half grind blade. It's made by Lucio Debon and Renzo Poscotto. These are the only two in the world. I'm so thrilled to have these in my collection. And I will treasure them. These are lockbacks. Fire like rockets. I'm going to put another video up of the pair, and then I'll try and do, when I get some time, I'm going to try and do a video of all the bats together. They're a happy little brood. I'm so thrilled. Take it easy, guys. Later on.